Hey everyone, it's Edwin here. In today's video, we're going to discuss some amazing PC tips and tricks that you absolutely need to know. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting out, these tips will help you optimize your PC experience. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share the channel Buzz Vibes for more awesome content. Let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with some keyboard shortcuts that will seriously level up your productivity game. First up, we have the classic Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V for copy and paste. Next, we've got Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y for undo and redo, respectively. Made a mistake? No problem, just hit Ctrl+Z to undo it. Now let's talk about some shortcuts that are specific to Windows. Alt+Tab is a game changer for quickly switching between open windows, and if you need to access the desktop in a hurry, just hit Windows key plus D. Windows key plus L is a super handy shortcut for locking your computer when you step away from your desk, and if you're ever working with multiple windows and need to quickly resize them, Windows key plus arrow keys is your new best friend. These are just a few of the countless keyboard shortcuts that can streamline your PC experience. Trust me, your fingers will thank you later. Over time, our PCs accumulate a lot of digital clutter, temporary files, cached data, and other unnecessary junk that can slow down your system's performance. That's where Disk Cleanup comes in. This built-in Windows utility helps you reclaim valuable storage space and keep your PC running smoothly. To access Disk Cleanup, simply search for it in the Windows search bar and click on the app. Once it launches, Disk Cleanup will analyze your system for files that can be safely deleted. You can then select the categories of files you want to remove and hit OK to proceed. Disk Cleanup can also help you uninstall programs that you no longer use, freeing up even more space on your hard drive. I recommend running Disk Cleanup at least once a month to keep your PC free of digital clutter. It's a quick and easy way to improve your system's performance and ensure that you have plenty of storage space for your important files. Task Manager is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal for monitoring and managing your PC's performance. It provides a real-time overview of your system's resource usage, allowing you to identify and troubleshoot performance bottlenecks. To launch Task Manager, you can either right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Once it's open, you'll see a list of all the running processes on your system, along with their CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. If your PC is feeling sluggish, Task Manager can help you pinpoint the culprit. Simply sort the processes by CPU or memory usage to see which programs are consuming the most resources. If you find a program that's using an excessive amount of resources, you can right-click on it and select End Task to force it to close. Disabling unnecessary startup programs can significantly speed up your PC's boot time. Simply right-click on a program that you don't need to launch at startup and select Disable. We've all been there. You install a new program, update a driver, or make a system change, and suddenly, your PC starts acting up. That's where System Restore comes in. This handy feature allows you to revert your PC to a previous state, undoing any changes that may have caused the problem. Think of System Restore as a time machine for your PC. It creates restore points at regular intervals, capturing a snapshot of your system's settings and files. If something goes wrong, you can simply restore your PC to a previous restore point, and it will be like the problem never happened. It's a good idea to create a restore point before making any major changes to your system, such as installing new software or updating drivers. In today's digital landscape, security is more important than ever. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your PC from malware and other cyber threats is to keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that address known vulnerabilities, making it much harder for hackers to exploit your system. Windows 10 makes it easier than ever to stay up to date. By default, Windows Update automatically downloads and installs updates in the background so you don't have to lift a finger. Many applications have automatic update features, so be sure to enable them whenever possible. Imagine this: you're working on an important project and suddenly your computer crashes. You try to reboot but nothing happens. Your hard drive has failed and all your data is gone. It's a nightmare scenario, but it's one that can be easily avoided with a reliable backup solution. Backing up your data simply means creating a copy of your important files and storing them in a separate location, such as an external hard drive or a cloud storage service. That way, if something happens to your primary storage device, you'll still have a copy of your data safe and sound. There are many different backup solutions available, from simple manual backups to more sophisticated automated solutions. If you're looking for a simple and affordable solution, you can manually back up your important files to an external hard drive. For a more automated approach, consider using a cloud backup service. Some popular cloud backup services include Backblaze, Carbonite, and iDrive. GAP3S. Now that you've got your data backed up and your PC running smoothly, it's time to make your desktop truly yours. Customizing your desktop not only makes it more visually appealing, but can also enhance your productivity. Let's dive into some simple yet effective ways to personalize your workspace. First, start with your wallpaper. Choose an image that inspires you or reflects your personality. Whether it's a scenic landscape, a motivational quote, or a favorite character, a good wallpaper can set the tone for your day. Next, organize your desktop icons. Create folders for different types of files like work, personal, and entertainment. This not only keeps your desktop clutter-free but also makes it easier to find what you need quickly. Don't forget about widgets and shortcuts. Adding a clock, weather widget, or quick access to your favorite apps can save you time and keep you focused. There are plenty of free desktop customization tools available, such as Rainmeter for Windows or GeekTool for Mac, that can help you take your desktop to the next level. Lastly, tweak your taskbar and start menu. Pin your most used apps and adjust the settings to suit your workflow. Small changes can make a big difference in how efficiently you navigate your computer. Remember, your desktop is your personal space, so make it a place where you love to work and play. Happy customizing. GAP3S. Ready to take your productivity to the next level? Let's talk about virtual desktops. Virtual desktops allow you to create multiple separate desktops that you can switch between with ease. This is especially useful if you juggle multiple tasks or projects throughout the day. Imagine having one desktop for work, another for personal use, and yet another for entertainment or hobbies. This way, you can keep your workspace organized and free of distractions. First, let's set up your virtual desktops. On Windows, simply press Win plus Ctrl plus D to create a new virtual desktop. You can switch between them using Win plus Ctrl plus left-right arrow. For Mac users, swipe up with 4 fingers on your trackpad to access Mission Control, then click the plus icon to add a new desktop. Switching between them is as easy as swiping left or right with 4 fingers. Now, assign specific tasks to each desktop. For instance, keep all your work-related apps and documents on one desktop, while your social media and entertainment apps stay on another. This separation helps you stay focused and minimizes the temptation to switch contexts. Don't forget to customize each desktop with different wallpapers and widgets to fit the theme of that workspace. This not only makes it visually distinct but also helps you mentally switch gears as you move from one desktop to another. Using virtual desktops is like having a multi-monitor setup without the extra hardware. It's a powerful way to keep your digital life organized and boost your efficiency. Give it a try and see how it transforms your workflow. GAP3S. Now that you know how to use virtual desktops, let's move on to our final chapter. GAP3S. Let's dive into an often overlooked aspect of PC maintenance: managing startup programs. Every time you boot up your computer, certain programs automatically launch in the background. While some of these are essential, others can significantly slow down your boot time and overall system performance. First, let's identify which programs are set to start automatically. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the Task Manager. Navigate to the Startup tab, where you'll see a list of programs along with their startup impact. For Mac users, go to System Preferences, then Users and Groups, and click on your username. Under the Login Items tab, you'll find a list of apps that open automatically when you log in. Now review the list carefully. Disable any programs that you don't need to start automatically. On Windows, right-click the program and select Disable. For Mac, select the program and click the E button below the list. Be cautious when disabling startup programs. Make sure you don't disable essential system processes or security software. If you're unsure about a program, a quick online search can help you determine its importance. By managing your startup programs, you can significantly reduce your boot time and improve your computer's performance. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your PC runs smoothly right from the start. GAP3S. Now that you've learned how to manage your startup programs, let's move on to our final chapter. GAP3S. Imagine losing all your important files due to a hardware failure or accidental deletion. It's a nightmare scenario, but it doesn't have to be. That's where cloud storage comes in. Cloud storage allows you to store your files on remote servers, making them accessible from any device with an internet connection. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, your files are just a few clicks away. First, choose a reliable cloud storage provider. Popular options include Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Each offers a range of storage plans, so you can select one that fits your needs. Once you've signed up, you can start uploading your files. Most providers offer automatic backup options, ensuring your files are always up to date without any extra effort on your part. To upload your files, simply drag and drop them into the cloud storage folder on your computer, or use the mobile app to upload directly from your phone or tablet. You can also organize your files into folders, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. But cloud storage isn't just about backup and accessibility. It also offers collaboration features, allowing you to share files and work on documents with others in real time. Whether you're working on a group project, sharing photos with family, or collaborating with colleagues, cloud storage makes it easy to stay connected and productive. So don't wait until it's too late. Start using cloud storage today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your files are safe and accessible, no matter what happens. GAP3S. Now that you know how to use cloud storage to keep your files safe and accessible, let's move on to our final chapter. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Buzz Vibes for more tech tips and tricks. Remember, taking care of your PC can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable computing experience. Until next time, stay tech savvy.